Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you this amazing plugin. I'm just gonna use it and try to see if I can use it to make an Afro beat. So, without wasting time, guys, let's just go right into our DW. So we see this amazing plugin, guys. Let's go. I have some nice guitar from Sean P. It's the tempo of 90 BPM. You know, I love those kind of vibe. But before then, guys, I just want to talk about this amazing headphones I've been using of late. You guys know I was using the Pro DT 700 Pro X, an amazing headphones, but you know, it just broke. And I decided to get this Austrian audio, and trust me, it's an amazing headphones. Like, I really love the quality of the sound. Like, I've been using this, if you can hear my latest beats I've been dropping, I've been using this to just mix it, you know, without using my monitors, and it has been sounding amazing. So you can definitely trust this. Is called the Austrian audio, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description in case you want to get it. You know, once you get it, I get a little commission, so it's just like you're also supporting me. But definitely go check out these headphones. All right, so this is what the guitar sound like. Nice. You know, I love the textures, but I think these are empty. Check this out. Yeah, and listening to this, I didn't know the progression. I know what it sounded like, so I'm just gonna go load this amazing plugin called Opus. And guys, it's definitely amazing. In case you want to try out this plugin, the link to also check this out is gonna be in the description. Nice. And they have tons of amazing libraries, and you can come over here and you can see their amazing libraries they have. Oh, I can't just go over all these, but you know, amazing. This plugin is amazing. Let's play the chords. So I'm just gonna layer the chords, then you know, we build from there. Yeah, so have all right, nice. So the next thing, I'm just gonna listen to find the key of this. Yeah, so on key of F sharp. It's actually easy to find the key. I remember when I started, you know, learning how to play the keyboard, like I could find the key for a whole day. Right now, you know, just one or two notes, and I'm able to find the key. So guys, there's actually growth when you keep doing something. When you keep doing it, definitely gonna see growth. So I'm just gonna transpose, go over to F sharp, and just try to find the chord to this. So we have. So let's just record that. Yeah, nice, simple. So let's bring that down. A pretty nice headphones. So let's load on that instance of Opus or Opus. I don't know what that is Opus. Let's go back to let's just check the guitars, and let's check some of the presets I've saved. Oh, some nice. And I love the effect that's already on the, you know, on the plugin. I don't really need to do much. Let's go. Yeah, so yeah, that's nice. So I think from here now I could start bringing in the drums. Yeah. Yeah, so let's take this back a little bit. Just tighten it up. Yeah, so I think I could add in some vocals, and I'm just gonna go over to splice. So basically, this is just how, for me, this is just how I create, you know, my vibes. So I'm just gonna go over to splice, and I'm just gonna use this splice bridge. Yeah, perfect. I love that. This is a vibe. This is a vibe, man. Let's see over the guitar. Let's see. Let's put that down. You can see, you can hear it already. Yeah, I think I might stretch everything. So let's go over to macros. I think I need it faster. Stretch Pro. Let's stretch everything. Let's go like to 96. Nice. So next thing I'm just gonna add in a conga. Yeah, so let's just take it a little bit backwards. Yeah. I need to layer the chord. So let's see if you can see something from Opus. Yeah, okay. Oh man, I love the low end of these headphones, man. Ooh, nice. So let's put our bass down. Okay, so let's go with this. So let's put in a drum feel. I think this is 1 bar, so let's stretch it to a bar. Stretch to 1 bar. So I think we have like a very solid vibe. So let's bring it back to the guitar. Yeah, then I can just use like my master plan plugin and just make this sound really, really heavy. So let's go and add the master plan. And you can see I'm making these whole decisions using just these headphones, and I'm sure you can definitely see that this is nice. So you definitely want to go check out also these headphones, Austrian. I think we got some nice sounds. I just love the textures of this Opus. So I have all these melodies from. And that's why I like these plugins. It doesn't really take a lot of CPU. Yeah, guys, so this is the lo-fi. Have this vibe. Nice, guys. So definitely go check out the Opus plugin. Very amazing, has lots of sounds. I didn't even go through 1/4 of what's in Opus. Like, it has lots of libraries, lots of sounds. You definitely want to go check out, and also go check out these headphones. Trust me, amazing headphones. You want to add to your collections. It's not about having more than one headphones. You could just compare with what you have, but for me, this is amazing, and you could definitely give it a shout. So this beat is fire, and I think I'm gonna drop this in the Patreon. So if you want to have access to this FLP, just be on the Patreon, and you get access to this FLP and other amazing stuffs on the Patreon. So thank you guys for watching, and if you got something from this and you like videos like this, you want to definitely subscribe, so you get updates on future videos. And thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.